The VTC actuator is vital for adjusting the timing of the intake valves, ensuring optimal engine performance. Identifying a failing VTC actuator in your Honda can prevent extensive engine damage and costly repairs. When it starts to fail, your Honda will exhibit several telltale signs that should prompt immediate attention. Recognizing these warning signs early can help you address the issue before it leads to more severe engine problems. What are the warning signs? Several warning signs can indicate that your Honda's VTC actuator is failing. One of the most common symptoms is unusual engine noise, often described as a rattling or ticking, particularly during a cold start. This noise is typically caused by the VTC actuator struggling to stay locked due to a lack of oil pressure during the initial start. Another warning sign is a noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency. If you find yourself visiting the gas station more frequently, it could be because the VTC actuator is not optimizing the valve timing, leading to inefficient fuel combustion. A failing VTC actuator may cause your engine to run roughly or stall, especially when idling. If you experience any of the following symptoms, it's crucial to have your Honda checked immediately. Persistent engine noise, particularly on cold start, a significant drop in fuel efficiency, rough engine idling or stalling, and an illuminated check engine light on your dashboard. These symptoms indicate that the VTC actuator is not functioning correctly, affecting your engine's performance and efficiency. Ignoring the symptoms of a failing VTC actuator can lead to severe engine damage and higher repair costs. Thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos.